In the modern kitchen, an electric kettle has become a must-have appliance. Whether it's for boiling water, preparing tea, or making instant noodles, a reliable electric kettle can make life easier. In this review, we'll compare Pigeon by Stovekraft Amaze Plus electric kettle with two of its key competitors: the Philips Viva Collection electric kettle, model HD 9316/06, and the Bajaj Majesty KTX15 1.7-liter electric kettle. We'll take a closer look at the features, pros, cons, and help you decide which one is best suited to your needs. I've linked the Pigeon by Stovekraft Amaze Plus electric kettle and other items I've talked about in the description below. Feel free to check them out using the links. The Pigeon by Stovekraft Amaze Plus electric kettle stands out for its sleek stainless steel body and 1.5-liter capacity. With a fast heating element and a 1500-watt power rating, it promises quick boiling. It also includes safety features such as automatic shutoff and a boil-dry protection mechanism, ensuring that the kettle shuts off when the water is boiled or if there is no water inside. Pros: fast heating. With 1500 watts of power, the Pigeon Amaze Plus boils water quickly. Stainless steel construction. The stainless steel body ensures better durability and a longer lifespan compared to plastic alternatives. Safety features: automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection enhance user safety and prevent accidents. Sleek design. Its modern and ergonomic design fits well in any kitchen, with a comfortable handle for easy pouring. Affordable. It offers great value for money, priced competitively at 1,299 rupees. Cons: build quality concerns. Some users report that the plastic components around the lid and handle may not be as durable as expected. No temperature control. Unlike some premium kettles, the Pigeon Amaze Plus lacks adjustable temperature settings, limiting its versatility for specific needs like brewing delicate teas. Lid issues. The lid may not open wide enough to clean the kettle thoroughly, leading to potential issues with residue buildup. The Philips Viva Collection electric kettle, model HD 9316/06, is a premium kettle offering great functionality. It boasts a 1.7-liter capacity and uses a rapid boiling element to heat water quickly. This kettle comes with a 360-degree rotational base, an extra-large opening for easy cleaning, and a cord-free design, allowing users to easily carry it around the kitchen. Pros: premium build. The Philips Viva Collection kettle has a high-quality stainless steel body, which not only looks great but is durable and resistant to corrosion. Larger capacity. At 1.7 liters, this kettle can accommodate more water, which is ideal for larger families or when entertaining guests. Easy to clean. The large opening and smooth stainless steel interior make cleaning easier, reducing the chances of limescale buildup. Cord-free design. The 360-degree rotating base allows you to place the kettle anywhere and pick it up without worrying about the cord. Safety features. The kettle has a steam sensor that automatically shuts off the kettle when it reaches boiling point, preventing overheating. Cons: the Philips Viva Collection kettle is priced higher than the Pigeon by Stovekraft Amaze Plus, which might not be ideal for budget-conscious buyers. Similar to the Pigeon model, this kettle lacks adjustable temperature settings, making it less suitable for brewing specialty teas or coffees that require specific temperatures. Some users have reported that the plastic lid feels slightly flimsy compared to the rest of the kettle's stainless steel build. The kettle tends to make more noise compared to other models when boiling, which could be annoying in quiet environments. The Bajaj Majesty KTX15 electric kettle offers an elegant 1.7-liter capacity with a 1500-watt power rating. Designed to quickly boil water, it comes with a stainless steel body and a detachable base for convenient storage. Its concealed heating element prevents the accumulation of dirt, making it easier to clean and maintain. Pros: like the Pigeon Amaze Plus, the Bajaj Majesty KTX15 comes with 1500 watts of power, ensuring quick boiling times. The kettle is made from high-quality stainless steel, which is durable, rust-resistant, and easier to clean. It includes automatic shut-off and boil-dry protection to prevent overheating or accidents. The detachable base makes it easier to clean and store without the hassle of managing the power cord. The kettle has an elegant and modern look, adding a touch of style to your kitchen. Now let's talk about some of the cons of the Bajaj kettle. First up, plastic components. Some users have mentioned that while the body is stainless steel, the lid and handle are made of plastic, which may not be as durable. Another point to consider is its weight. The 1.7-liter capacity can make the kettle somewhat heavy, especially when filled to its maximum. This could be a concern for people with limited hand strength. Then, there's the lack of temperature control. The absence of adjustable temperature settings is a downside for users looking for more control over their boiling needs, such as for teas that require a specific temperature. Lastly, noise. Like the Philips Viva Collection kettle, the Bajaj Majesty KTX15 can be quite noisy when boiling water. So those are some of the cons to keep in mind. When comparing these three kettles, Pigeon by Stovekraft Amaze Plus, Philips Viva Collection HD 9316/06, and Bajaj Majesty KTX15, each has its own strengths and weaknesses. Pigeon by Stovekraft. Amaze Plus is perfect for those looking for an affordable, reliable, and easy-to-use kettle. Its 1.5-liter capacity and fast boiling feature make it an excellent option for small families or individuals who want a straightforward electric kettle. Philips Viva Collection HD 9316/06 offers a premium build, a larger capacity, and extra safety features, but comes at a higher price point. It's ideal for users who value quality and have a bigger family or who entertain guests regularly. Bajaj Majesty KTX15 strikes a balance between performance and price. While it shares many similarities with the Pigeon model, it offers slightly more capacity and the convenience of a detachable base, making it a good choice for those who want value and functionality.